And record Rosita taking her first trip. First road trip, everybody. All she gotta do is be patient. Don't wanna go out there. There she goes. There she goes. Everybody can see her. She's driving in traffic, everybody. That's confidence for you. See? And then she's going pretty fast, too. Guess she must have shifted her gears. I guess I better speed up so I can get up there with her and stay behind her. She'll be comfortable knowing that she got me behind her. Yeah, she's doing her thing. So everybody can see her. Look at her. That girl getting it. That's confidence, folks. I'm gonna tell you like this right here. Somebody that just rode for the first time. Look at her. Passing by the cars. She got a little test of a heel up here. She should do fine though. Okay, see what she gonna do. See what she gonna do. She downshift. She needs to use a brake though. There she goes. She's using a signal light. She's doing that part great. Roll up. On up. There she go. There she go. Look at her. Look at her at the light. Okay, she's in traffic. I got to hurry up and get around there with her. she getting gone. Girl got ghost, didn't she? Look at her, boy. She took that. Look at her. She finally turned that signal off. Look at her. Call my baby driving in the street. Oops. Being cautious. She's doing what she's supposed to do though. Man, I am so proud of her. That's her first journey out in the traffic. And probably about a mile or so away from the house. Maybe 2 miles. I mean, she's doing it. You slow down. She is doing great. On her first journey all the way to the house. There she goes. She's gonna lay that bad boy up in there now. She did it, folks. She made it home safely. She done pulled in. She pulled in. Everybody. She seems to be really excited. Yep, she seems to be really excited about her new form ride there. Okay, Rosita, we recorded you all the way home.
Woo!
So how was your ride?
How'd I do?
You did great.
Look good?
You look really good.
Oh my God.
How did it feel?
Ooh, huh?
How did it feel?
Took my first intersection, baby.
Look at you. Go ahead on, girl. Go ahead on. Yeah, you drove that thing like a champ.
Yeah, that was right on. That felt good.
All right. What about the little hill?
That hill wasn't nothing.
It wasn't?
That the light.
You need to be the part that one little part, that car.
Yeah.
You got to be real careful on that intersection.
Yeah.
There, you know
I saw
that,
it,
right?
so I yielded. You know.
Yeah,
I might have been going a little faster right there than I should have been going, but
that's the only thing that
I felt in pretty good control of the bike.
Yeah, you look good. I recorded you all the way home.
Did you?
Yeah.
How you driving and
Hey, I got this. You know what I'm saying?
How I put that on YouTube and the popo coming to get your ass?
They ain't coming to get me.
You recording something while you ride?
They don't know who I am unless you tell them.
Oh Lord.
How about that?
But yeah, I felt good. That felt really good.
Man, you the popo anyway. That's why you got that jacket on. You didn't turn your siren on. We was following the police.
That's why I was checking out my horn before we left, make sure I knew where that bad boy was.
Look at you.
Get out the way!
Everybody.
Woo! Yeah, that was cool. Thanks, honey.
Anything else you want to say before we go? First ride on the street in traffic, everybody. About 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles away from the house. She ran on intersection.
From the movie theater parking lot to the house.
Okay, so, but
that was good.
it was good? You did good.
Yep,
All right
thanks.
then, everybody, we sign off. See you next time. Deuces.